Myth number 1. Internet dating is only for technologically oriented people. The problem. Back when internet dating first came on the scene, most of the people who enjoyed its benefits were the technologically oriented type. Because they were the ones who knew enough about the online world and how to connect with others through it to utilize the services. While many of these people were perfectly normal outside of their propensity toward understanding technology that most people didn't, a few of them qualified as stereotypical geeks. When internet dating worked for these people, it became known as a geek phenomenon. Some people commented that, of course, it would work for the computer-oriented types, because they would be most likely to meet someone who shared their interests in an online environment. Over time, this became something of a stigma for internet dating. It became a place where geeks met geeks, and where someone would go only if they wanted to meet and date a geek. It wasn't a cool place to find love, nor was it a place that most people even thought about when they considered dating venues. The truth. Times have changed. Internet dating has moved beyond its geeky beginnings to become something that anyone can do. If you can surf the internet and set up a profile on a social networking site, you have the technological skills to date online. In addition, the types of people available on online dating services has changed, too. There are people from all walks of life using the internet to date, not just those with techie backgrounds. While certain internet dating websites might cater to people with certain backgrounds or skills, most of the sites offer a broad spectrum of other single people for you to choose from. On most internet dating sites, who you communicate with is your choice, which offers you even more protection from being paired with a type of person you're not interested in. Usually, you can search the available profiles for certain characteristics that are important to you and choose who to talk to based on what you find there. In addition, the fact that online dating websites have so many different kinds of people using them means that the stigma for showing up there in the first place is virtually gone. No one will assume that you can't get a date any other way, so there's no shame in trying internet dating out. How to overcome your assumptions. If you're still not sure about the type of person you might find online, give internet dating a chance. Choose a large, well-known online dating site and set up a profile. If you're concerned, only show your first name or do it under an assumed name. While you won't want to pursue any relationships without telling the truth about who you are, this can let you use the site without needing to worry. Run some searches and see what, and who, you find. If you're satisfied with the selection of people, set up a real profile. If you're not, try another site. Myth number 2 will be debunked in the next video.